In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a simple and clean healing particle effect in Roblox Studio, perfect for medkits, healing zones, or RPG style games. First, insert a cylinder part into the workspace. Scale it up and reshape it to make heal ring. Duplicate it, scale the second one slightly smaller, and position it inside the first cylinder. You should use alternate key, or option on Mac, and shift key while scaling to adjust small size. Copy the position from first part, and paste it to second part to make them at the same position. Select the inner part and mark it as negate. Now select both parts and union them to cut out the inside, creating a ring shape. Enable use part color, then change the part color to green. Set its transparency to 0.9 so it's barely visible. With the heal ring selected, click the plus icon and insert a particle emitter. Set the speed to 0. Then set Y acceleration to 1 so the particles slowly float upward. Open transparency and use a number sequence so the particles fade out after a short time. If you look closely, you can see particles spawn inside the ring, so we need to set its shape and volume. Change the shape to cylinder, and set shape type to surface. Perfect, now the particles spawn on surface only. Set the squash value to 3 to make the particles thinner and more stylish. Change the lifetime from 2 to 5 for a smoother healing effect. Set the particle color to green, and add a small color gradient for a glowing heal vibe. Set the rate to 30 for a steady particle flow. Update Y acceleration to 3 to make the particles rise faster. Finally, set emission light to 1 to give the effect a shiny, magical look. And that's it. You've just made a clean healing particle effect in Roblox Studio. If this helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and comment what effect you want next. See you in the next tutorial.